सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page number 37, shloka number 16. तामसैर्नो भयं किन्तु वृथा युक्षपणं भवेत्. अत्राहं प्रत्ययीकर्ता इत्येवम् अत्राहं प्रत्ययीकर्तेति एवं लोके व्यवस्थितिः. Vidyaranya analyzing the Chandogya 6th chapter. Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asid. To establish this entire universe, Idam, Jagat is nothing but Sat Brahman only. To establish that, first he is introducing the 5 elements, Panchabhuta Vivekana. Panchabhuta means 5 elements. They are born from Sat Brahman only. Later, from those 5 elements only, all our Pancha Jnana Indriyani, Pancha Karmendriyani, sense organs of action and sense organs of knowledge, all of them are born from 5 elements, including mind also. Pancha Jnana Indriyani, Pancha Karmendriyani, they are known as Bahya Karanani, whereas the mind comes under Antah Karanam. Those 5 elements born because of Brahman activates the Maya. When Brahman activates the Maya 3 gunas will get Vaishamyam. The Vaishamyam means inequilibrium. Sattva, Rajas, Tamas, when they are in Samyavastha, there is no Srishti. When these 3 gunas join together and share each other, that is called Vaishamyam. 3 gunas will join together, they start becoming Sthula, Sukshma, they all come like that. So, Maya Sahitam Brahma alone manifests as the Panchabhutas. So, Brahman and Maya both together is the Jagat. Now, you have to understand that Panchabhutas are the other name for that Brahman. Because Maya doesn't have its own existence. Panchabhuta, either Sukshma or Sthula, are nothing but Maya's expression. Without Brahman, Maya cannot express as Panchabhutas. Therefore, Maya is you cannot count. You cannot count it, just as you cannot count by seeing your shadow. When you see your shadow, can you count there are 2 persons? We can never count. So the entire Jagat is a shadow of Brahman. It doesn't have independent existence separately. Just you have to visualize like that. Just as the shadow you cannot count separately as second entity from the individual, similarly Maya is the power of Brahman. It appears in different forms. What are the forms? And the 5 elements. Those 5 elements only as sense organs. Those sense organs, how do you know there are sense organs? Can you see them with your eyes? Na? Indriyam, the power, can never be seen. Seeing power you cannot see, hearing power you cannot see. Any sense organ you can never see, it is invisible. Then how to know? Na? By its karyam, by its function. Karyam means eyes, when that ears, when they are having seeing power, they see that objects. Rupa Anubhava I get. Through the Rupa Anubhava, now I see this flower, Rupa Anubhava has come to me. This is yellow flower. How Rupa Anubhava I have got? Because my eye seeing power is helping me to experience that Anubhava. Rupa Anubhava. Through Rupa Anubhava you infer there is a seeing power. That's why doctor also keep the board when you go for checkup. He keeps alphabets there. First he keeps a small one, a bigger one. Bigger one. You read gada gada. Then he gives a little smaller, medium size. Then more smaller, little smaller. Like that he's gone telling, no, I cannot see. Na. One person asked, doctor, where is the board? Letter Sangati, leave it. Where is board? Very powerful sight. So like that, Rupa Anubhava, through that infer, I have seeing power. Similarly, when you listen the sound also, Sparsha Anubhava you get. Through that Sparsha Anubhava, you infer there is a Sparsha Indriyam or Shabda Indriyam. You hear the sound, Shabda Indriyam is there. When you get the Sparsha Anubhava you get. Similarly, Rasa Anubhava, Gandha Anubhava. Through this Anubhava only you are able to say that, prove that there is Indriyam. They are called Karyam. Anubhava is Karyam. Karanam is what? Sense organ, Indriyam. Similarly, they are all with 3 gunas, Sattva, Rajas, Tamo gunas. That he is explaining here, Sattva guna, Rajo guna, Tamo guna. When Sattva guna is there, what are all outcome? No? Rajo guna is there, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Yatna. And Tamo guna he is talking, Alasyam, Bhranti, Nidra. It's very famous, no? Body is made out of Tamo guna. Therefore, always Bhranti means what? Wrong knowledge, delusion. So, Nidra, no, sleepiness or sleeping. Bhranti, Nidra, Alasyam, Adipadat, Avidya. Then, this, because of this tamas, what is the consequence? In the 16th sloka, he says, Tamasaihi na ubhayam kintu. By sattva, predominant guna, you are acquiring lot of punya. When sattva guna is predominant, you are getting lot of punya, you are acquiring punya. Suppose Rajoguna is predominant, you are acquiring papa. Suppose Tapoguna is predominant, then you won't acquire even punyam or papam. Life is waste. He says, Kintu vrudha ayuhu shapanen. He is spending his time mere waste. Vrudha ayuhu. His life is waste. Chapanam means spending, wasting, bhavet. Atra aham pratyayi karta iti evam. Loke vyavasthitihi. One more point we have to note here. The mind is like a traffic controller. Mind is antakaranam. We understood that mind is brain, mind no connection. Okay. Brain belongs to the sthula shariram. Mind belongs to sukshma shariram. Because some people, Westerners, they say mind alone is consciousness, consciousness alone is mind, like that they say. And some modern scientists, they say the brain alone is the mind. We can never accept that mind is brain, because brain belongs to gross body, mind belongs to subtle body, there is no connection. Similarly, mind and consciousness also we should not accept, because the mind belongs to the subtle body, matter. Consciousness is not matter, it is spirit. So how can you connect the matter and spirit the same? So mind is a matter. It is residing in the heart, physical heart. That mind is a sukshma shariram, antakaranam. But it works behind all sense organs. Sense organs, Shabda Indriyam cannot enter into the Rupa Indriyam field. Rupa Indriyam cannot enter into the Sparsha Indriyam field. Sparsha Indriyam cannot enter into. That means what? Eyes cannot hear, ears cannot see, eyes cannot taste, tongue cannot speak, tongue cannot hear, tongue cannot see. Like that, each sense organs has got its own field. It cannot enter into another field. So, but mind goes behind every sense organ. So that is the master. That mind, when it is, he says in the second line, atra, here, aham pratyayi karta. Aham pratyayi karta means the subject. Aham pratyaya, I thought. When I get I thought in the mind, I thought comes, ahankara. Body, mind, complex, plus chidabhasa, ahankara. Chidabhasa means that reflected consciousness which is in the mind. That ahankara or chidabhasa, that says, I am, I am. That is the cause for this aham vritti. Aham pratyayi means thought. Aham means I. That I thought. That I thought says what? It identifies with each sense organ's function. This I thought identifies with each sense organ's function. Each sense organ means, for example, Srotra Indriyam listens the sound. Once it is listening the sound, this is Golakam. Inside is the Indriyam. Sthula Shariram Golakam, Sukshma Sharira Indriyam, Antakaranam mind, that is also Sukshma Shariram only. That Aham Vritti, what it does, it identifies with this sound. After identifying what it says, I am the hearer. Then it identifies with the form. When it identifies this color, what it says, I am the seer. I am seeing the flower. Similarly, if you keep near the nose, what do you have to say? I am the smeller. I can't keep on the tongue. Okay, if you keep any food item on your tongue, this I pratyaya, what comes? I am the taster. Similarly, while walking, I am the walker. I am the writer. I am the speaker. See, identifying with every function. I am. That is called here aham pratyaya karta iti. Karta means what? Doing action, seeing action, tasting action. I am the karta. I am the doer of hearing. I am the doer of seeing. I am the person who is behind this action. Aham karta. I am the doer. I am the doer of smelling action. I am the doer of walking action. Morning walking பண்ணிட்டோம். I am walker association இருக்கு. Walker association, taster, smeller, thinker. So when mind thinking, this aham, what he says pratyaya, I am the thinker. So with every action it identifies. This is called aham pratyayi karta iti. Evam, in this manner, loke, in this world, vyavasthitihi, we are seeing this is the thing going on in the world. Vyavasthitihi, vyavahara is going on. This is what everyone knows. This is the vyavastha. This is arranged, beautifully arranged. What? Arranged marriage. What arranged marriage? Between world and sense organs, there is a contract base. So you are seeing, and there are sounds, and all objects are there, they are contacting. Indriyashu indriyasyarthenar. Indriyams and indriya artha, they are contacting. And the contact time lo in the pratyaya says what? Naan da pandren, naan da pesren, naan da walk pandren, naan annu vandu. Ahankara. So up to here we saw in the last class. Now next shloka we will read 17th shloka. Spashta shabdadi yukteshu भौतिकत्वमति स्फुटम् अक्षादावपि तच्छास्त्र युक्तिभ्यामवधार्यताम्. Spashta shabdadi yukteshu bhautikatvam iti sputam. Sputam means very clear. What is clear? Spashta shabda. When the sound is very clear, and sthula shabda. The shabda sound is very much we are listening. Spashta shabda. Adipadat, very clearly you are able to see the forms. Tangibly, visibly, and gross forms you are seeing. All these Shabda, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, all you are experiencing. This is, objects are endowed with color, sound, taste. Every object has got either Shabda or Rupa or Rasa or Gandha or Sparsha. Every object has got its own. Yukteshu means endowed with. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, sound, smell, touch, taste, all are there. When what is it? Bhautikatvam, material. Bhautikatvam means material. Material means matter is called bhutam. Once it becomes materialized, it is called bhautikam. Panchabhutas are called tanmatras when they are not grossified. When they are grossified, they are called bhautikam. Therefore, we call this bhautika prapancha. What do you mean by bhautika prapancha? When the invisible sense or when invisible five elements are grossified, panchikarana anantaram, they become sthulam, gross, they are called bhautikam. Before grossification, they are only bhutams. They are only not andabhutam. Okay. Bhutamanna, they are in subtle form. Now, what you are seeing, experiencing, Akasha, you are experiencing through my sound. When subtle Akasha you cannot see, you cannot experience. Only gross form it comes, so sound form you are experiencing space. And by seeing the form you are experiencing that what? Agni. Because Rupa connected to Agni. Similarly, Sparsha you are experiencing. So you are experiencing the Vayu. Connected. It is connected. So that connection you have to understand here. That is Spashtam. Very clear. How do you know connection is there for 5 elements under body? Very simple. Spashtam and our children. Namak Spashtama Terila and then thermometer ulla temperature. What is a normal temperature? Irkilio. Adilla in Irkamato. So normal temperature, it represents what? Fire principle. So the sparsha you are experiencing represents the Vayu principle. The Shabda you are experiencing represents Akasha principle. So the 5 elements he is proving here in this body now. Similarly, water principle is there. Shape of the body decided by the water content. Suppose neer jaasti arika vadambula chonnar doctor. It changed the shape of the foot. Enna kaal apdi veengirikkanna neeranna. So the water determines the shape of the body. And so you see people is more water content in the body, it looks like a balloon. No? Similarly, Prithvi Tattvam determines the weight of the body. If you have lot of Prithvi Tattvam means 90 kgs, 100 kgs. So less weight and less Prithvi Tattvam. So not only that, if anything we are missing, that what you can iron. Suppose iron vitamin is kammiya irukku doctor enna solluvan eat keerai enna eat so and so vegetable. If you have this vitamin deficiency, you get from this vegetable, from this fruit. They say where from they are coming fruit and vegetables? From earth. So there is also magnesium, phosphorus, all these iron, every vitamin, chemicals are all there, and therefore we are supplementing without what? Vegetables and all. Put all those things you have to eat. Nariya saappanum. Keera ella saapta iron varuma. Iron anna ange connection irukka illaya? So Prithvi connection is there, Jala connection is there, Agni connection is there, Vayu connection is there. And Akasha connection is there. So this is a Panchabhautika Udal. Panchabhuta Udal. Gnapakam irukko. When you are looking at the mirror, when you are seeing the mirror, you are looking at the solid 5 elements. The solid 5 elements you are looking. Adella gnapakam varadhu namakku. Summa nanna irukke. Mannu, Prithvi Tattva. So this is the fact, but we smoothly we ignore like that, no? Pancha Bhautika Shariram. That's why Bhartrihari says in his the last sloka, Vairagya Satakam, at the time of death, I am offering this body to Panchabhutas. O Devatas, Akasha Devata, Agni Devata, Vayu Devata, Varuna Devata, Jala Devata, all these Devatas, because of your blessings till today in this body I am enjoying. So I am giving a thanking letter. I hand over this body, mind complex to you again. So Panchabhuta has to merge with Panchabhuta. Thanks, children, Panchabhutas. So Panchabhutas are in the form of body-mind complex. ஆச்சரியமா இருக்குல்ல? ஆச்சரியம் அதே சொல்றார் அவர். அக்ஷாதாவபி அக்ஷாதௌ அபி தத் சாஸ்திர யுக்திப்யாம் அவதாரியதாம். Akshadav means sense organs, all sense organs. That means eyes, ears, nose, smell, touch, all these. Api, all you can know how. Shastra yuktibhyam. You have no pratyakshama, you cannot see. What you see pratyakshama? Golakam only you can see. Pratyakshama, directly you can see only Golakam, flesh. Sthula Sharira Bhagam only you can see. I told you, people are having eyes golakam, but they cannot see. கண் இப்படி இருக்கும், பார்வை இருக்க இல்லையான்னு எப்படி தெரியும்? Golakam is there, but vision is missing, absent. Similarly, sparsha, skin is there. What is the guarantee there is sparsha? Some people, even they catch whole heart also, they do not know. Sparsha illena. That indriyam power is invisible. Akshadavapi, even sense organs, all of them, you cannot see the power. That's why they call indriyam, means shakti, power. A person is sitting in the chair, I come and ask him, please come and take this book. He cannot be able to come here, no? He says, just silent. What? I cannot walk. Until that person says, I do not know he is having walking power or not. If I speak only, you come to know I have speaking power or not. If I don't speak, do you know I have speaking power or not? You don't know. Can you see my speaking power? Cannot. Therefore, you can never see, perceive any sense organ power. Akshadavapi, every sense organ you can know only through yukti, by reasoning. This is what reasoning. Since there is 5 elements have got 5 gunas and the shabda sparsha rupa, since they have here in the body, I infer that sense organ I have. I told you an example. When the baby is in 2 months, 3 months, what we do? Baby is having the hearing power or not, what do you do? இப்படி பண்ணுவோம், காது கிட்ட போய் கேட்கறதான்னு. அப்போ கை காமிச்சு இது என்ன நம்பர் காமிப்போம். என்ன கண்ணு பார்க்கறது. ஆனாலும் இந்த child has to recognize this is 4, this is 3. How do you know? When the function is done by the baby, you infer. This is called yukti. Not only yukti, through shastra you can infer. Shastram is the pramanam. Shastra and yukti, logic, is the pramanam. Avadharyatam, may you understand, may you substantiate by yukti and shastram, by shastra and logic. Next shloka. What is shastram? Chandogya Upanishad. Next shloka. Ekadashendriyair-yuktya shastrenapyavagamyate yavat kinchid bhavedetat idam shabdoditam jagat. In that Chandogya Upanishad, Sadeva Saumya idamagre asid. That idam word, how it is uditam, how that idam shabdam word has come. Idam means it is a pronoun, this. Idam means this. This is a pronoun. How this pronoun idam represents what? In that Chandogya Upanishad, the mantra used by Uddalaka, Aruni, Rishi, what he says to his son Shvetaketu, Sadeva Saumya, Satyeva Asit, Sat Brahman alone was there. Agre, before creation. Sadeva Saumya, idam agre. Idam agre means in the jagatku munnadi, in the srishtiku munnadi. Idam manna jagat. To this universe, previously what was there? Only Sat, pure Sat only there. So this entire universe, one pronoun Shastra is using. Uddalaka is using. Idam. This. This means what? This word you are using. This flower, this universe, this fan, this light, this bulb, this carpet, this you are using. Number of times. இது ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம். என்ன இது என்ன அர்த்தம்? What is that idi? Idam. That idam, he says, ekadasha indriyaihi yuktya. This idam is nothing but because of your 5 plus 5 plus 1. 5 sense organs of action, 5 sense organs of knowledge and mind. All ekadasha. Eka is 11th one is mind. Dasha means pancha jnanendriyani, pancha karmendriyani. Once eyes are seeing this flower, what do you say? This is a flower. How this word you have used? This word how you have used? By operating your operation and not other operation. By making use of your eyes. This is a clip. By making use of your eyes. This is a music, nice music. This is Western music. This is classical music. How? Again, this you are using by Shabda. This is Rasagulla. This is not Rasagulla. How do you know? Again, this you are using through tongue. Again, this is so soft. This is so hard. The sparsha. Again, this you are using. For everything you are using this. This why you are using ekadasha indriyaihi yuktyanar. So by using the sense organs, making use of sense organs of action and knowledge and mind, yuktya, by this reasoning. See, this is called logic. By reasoning. Since I am seeing this flower, I am saying this is flower. This is called logic. Yatra yatra pramana vishayaha prameyaha. This is vishayaha. Pramanasya vishayaha. Kim pramanam? Netra pramanam. Netra pramanena etat pushpam iti janami. Pushpam is prameyam, object. And you say this object, this flower. This is my husband, this is my daughter, this. All are with sense organs, mind. Through the mind you are knowing. This is called yukti. Shastrena, Shastra Pramana is there. Because Uddalaka is telling, Shastrena avagamyate. Shastrena means even with Shastra also you can know, through yukti you can know, through pratyaksha anubhava you are experiencing. Sparsha anubhava, rupa anubhava, shabda anubhava, rasa anubhava, gandha anubhava. All anubhavas through pratyaksha anubhava, shastra anubhava, shastra yukti dwara avagamyate. You are knowing. Yavat kinchit. What and all you are knowing, Anna? Whatever is there. Yavat kinchit. Yedi yedi irukko, adi adi ellame anartham. Whatever is there, I am knowing. Yavat kinchit bhavet etat, this in front of me, which is available for my sense organs of action and sense organs of knowledge and mind, which are all available. They are all etat idam shabda uditam jagat. This jagat uditam. This jagat just is available with what na? With idam word. This world, you say. Just one word you use. This world. This world, how you got that knowledge? Dasha indriyaihi uditam. Therefore, the eyes are not there. Suppose a person cannot see the world. This world, he listens the sound only. Some people sense organs, ears are not there. Kannu matram irukka. Shabdam theriyadu avaniki. Now you understand, to say this world, you require sense organs. Even though they have that sense organ, power is not there. Body is available, but they cannot see, they cannot taste, and no use. So this idam jnanam comes only when your sense organs are intact. Blind person, dumb person, deaf person cannot get the full knowledge of the world. Now you have to thank the God. Okay? Yeah. Count your blessings. How many blessings you have. இது தெரியாமலே எல்லா குறைதான் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம் நம்ம. Have to see how beautiful We are able to see, we are able to touch, we are able to taste, we are able to experience everything. How much you have to be grateful to the Lord. Next shloka. Idam sarvam pura srishtehi ekameva dvitiyakam sadevasinnama rupe nasta mityarunervachah. Arunehe vachaha. These are the words said by Aruna Maharshi. Arunehe vachaha. Uddalaka's another name is Arunihi. Aruni, Uddalaka, is telling to his son Shvetaketu. O Shvetaketu, idam sarvam pura srishtihe ekameva advitiyakam. Idam sarvam, this world, tangible, concrete, visible world, sthula prapancha, what you are seeing, idam sarvam, this entire universe. Idam means this, sarvam means entire universe, pura, before. Before means what? Srishtihe pura, before the creation. What was there? Ekam eva ekameva advitiyakam. Ekam means one. Eva only. One only. Advitiyakam, non-dual. Non-dual Sat alone was there before the creation. Before the Srishti comes, what was there? Srishti ku munnadi enna irukku nu prachane. கோழியா முட்டையான்னு தென்னை மரமா தேங்காயான்னு எல்லா கொஸ்டின் எல்லாம் கேட்குறான்னா அவங்களுக்கு என்ன சமாதானம்? சாஸ்திர சேஸ் சதேவ ஆசீத். சத் பிரம்மன் alone was there before this creation. Creation was not there? No, it was not there. What happened to this creation? He says in the second line, Sadeva asit nama rupe na astam. Nama rupa, the names and forms were not there before the creation. They were all in unmanifest form. Before this body is coming, 50 years before or 40 years before or 70 years before, in the age group before that, what about this body? Where was it? Where is this name? Name was not there, form was not there. Later also it is not going to be there. That means what was there? If you question, the answer, Aruni says, O Shvetaketu, Sadeva Asit. Sat eva Asit. Existence alone was there. Without Nama Rupa. Pure Sat was there. Samanya Satta, pure Sat, pure existence. Shuddha Sattvam is there. Ippu enna Ashuddha Sattvam da irukkenna. Ashuddha Mikey's, Fanny's, Flowery's with Nama Rupa. That time before creation, na astam. Nama Rupa, na astam. Nama, name, Rupa, form was not there. Then who was there? Sadeva Asit. Pure Eva indicates only, alone. What is that alone? Sadeva. Pure existence alone was there without Nama Rupa. In good sleep, deep sleep, are there Nama Rupa to you? How many names you remember? How many forms you remember? What was there in deep sleep? Yesterday night and everyday night. Pure existence. Once you wake up, again Nama Rupa comes. What happened to that Nama Rupa? Dissolved. Temporarily dissolved Laya. If permanently dissolves, it is Pralaya. That's all. Every day we are experiencing the laya, sleep. If it permanently goes what in potential form, pralaya. Temporarily every day we are experiencing pure sat. Pure sat without nama rupa, including your name and form. I don't remember all names and forms, but I remember my name and form. Cholla mudiyuma? 80 kgs body. என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? பெரிய ஆபீசர், என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? பிரசிடென்ட் கூட நான் பிரசிடென்ட் தெரியாது தூங்கும் போது. பிரைம் மினிஸ்டருக்கு தெரியாது, வேர்ல்டு மிஸ் வேர்ல்டுக்கு தெரியாது பாவம். இப்போதான் கப்பு வாங்கியிருக்கேன், தூங்கும் போது மிஸ் வேர்ல்டுக்கு மிஸ் வேர்ல்டுனே தெரியாது. அது மாதிரி so every day we are experiencing pure sat where nama rupa are dissolved. Nama rupe na astham sadeva asit, sat alone was there. Iti arunehe vachaha. This is the statement given by Aruni to his son. There is a nice story. How do you know? Yukti Shastra, he says, no? Now Shastra Chandogya Upanishad, where Aruni says we are using the word. What Yukti Aruni follows here, the Yukti is, the story runs like this. Aruni, he is teaching to his son. I told you that Shvetaketu didn't ask his teacher, what is that by knowing which everything is known, have you asked your teacher? And Aruni asked his son, Shvetaketu. Have you asked your teacher? நீங்க 20 வருஷம் படிச்சிட்டு வந்துட்டீங்க. Have you asked your teacher by knowing which everything is known, what is the source of this universe? Have you asked? அவருக்கு தெரியாது ன்னு சொல்லிட்டான். My guru doesn't know. If you would have, no, if he knows, he would have taught to me. அவர் சொல்லவே இல்லை எனக்கு. அப்பா சொன்னார், அப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடாதப்பா, கேட்கலன்னா எந்த குரு சொல்ல மாட்டான். Na prashthet kaschat bruyat. The student doesn't ask, the teacher should not say. That is the rule. கேட்காதவனுக்கு சொல்லக்கூடாது. அதனால உனக்கு சொல்லலை, நீ கேட்கல, அவன் சொல்லலை. அப்புறம் then Shvetaketu asked, you tell me. Then he asked. Then Shvetaketuக்கு father is teaching. What father says? 15 நாள் சாப்பிடாதேன்னு சொல்லிட்டார். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டோன்ட் ஈட் 15 days. Don't eat for 15 days. Then what? How to survive? Drink water how much you want. It comes in the mantra 654. He says, Annamaya di somya manaha, Annamayam hi somya manaha, Apomayah pranaha, Tejomayi vak. He says, oh my dear son, hey Somya, not Samya, hey Somya, oh pleasing one. What he says, Annamayam hi Somya manaha, mind is made out of Annam. Not only that, Apomayah pranaha, this prana is made out of water. Tejomayi vak, this speech is made out of fire. அப்படிதானே சொன்னார் அப்பா. இன்னும் சந்தேகமா? Father is asking, do you have any doubt? Go, don't take food 15 days, come on later. Adhikku mantra again 671 he says, Shodasha kalah purushaha panchadasha ahani ma ashihi kamam apaha piba apomayah pranaha na pibato vichhetsyase iti. My dear son, you stop eating food for 15 days. But you drink water sufficiently, however much you want. How much you want, you drink water. Otherwise, what will happen? You will die. Therefore, my dear son, drink water but don't take food. அப்பா சொன்ன மாதிரி 15 நாள் சாப்பிடாமலே Shvetaketu drinking water every day. Morning water, afternoon water, night water. 15 நாள். No சாப்பாடு பாவம், no idli, no sambar, nothing. Then after 15 days, Shvetaketu, vah, and கூப்பிட்டார் அப்பா ஆருணி. Then Shvetaketu came. Come on, read Rigvedam. Read Samavedam. He says, navai kinchit pratibhasate bhoh iti. I am not able to see letters also, he said. I am not able to see letters, my eyes are not functioning. I am not able to bring even a small sound, a little bit sound from my voice is not coming at all. I am not able to do anything. I am not able to recite, I am not able to chant at all, my dear father. Now father said, now understand, you are not able to chant, you are not able to see, you are not able to, because to chant, mind has to function. மைண்டு பிளர்ராக இருக்க ஒன்றுமே ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. ஒரு மந்திரம் ஞாபகம் வர மாட்டேங்குது. புஸ்தகம் பார்த்துட்டு இல்லை, நான் புஸ்தகம்னு சொன்னேன், புஸ்தகம் எல்லாம் கிடையாது அந்த காலத்தில். மெமரைஸ் ஆல் மந்த்ராஸ் என்ன, மனசுக்கு ஒன்றும் ஞாபகம் வர மாட்டேங்கிறது. நமக்கு லாஸ்ட் வீக்கு தான் ஞாபகம் எல்லாம் 3 வாட்டி சாப்பிட்டு இருந்தா கூட என்ன நடந்தது நேற்று கிளாஸ், நேற்று என்ன சாப்பிட்டாங்க காலையிலன்னு ஞாபகம் இருக்கா, மத்தியானம் என்ன பொரியல் சாப்பிட்டாங்க ஞாபகம் இருக்கான்னு. 3 வேளை சாப்பிட்டே நமக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஞாபகம் இல்லைன்னா அவனுக்கு 15 நாள் சாப்பிடாமலே ருக்வேதம் எல்லாம் சாண்ட் பண்ண சொன்னா, மெமரைஸ் பண்ணுன்னு சொன்ன ஒரு மந்திரம் ஞாபகம் வரமாட்டேங்கிறது. என்ன ஒரு மந்திரம் மனசுக்கு ஞாபகம் வரமாட்டேங்கிறதுன்னு சொன்னா புரியறதா? அப்போ மனசுக்கு ஞாபகம் வரணும்னா என்ன முக்கியம்னா அன்னம் முக்கியம். Food is very important. Therefore, your mind is functioning is because of what? Na annam. Annamayam hi saumya manaha. Apomayah pranaha. Thanni illanna enna uyire poidum. That is why people should not do complete fasting. At least they have to take water 2 days, 3 days. Some people do fasting, 10 days, 40 days. They continue with water. So water helps the person to survive. Prana continues. ஆளுக்கு டேஞ்சர் கிடையாது, அவன் கண்டினியூஸ். பட் மெமரி குறையும், அவ்வளோதான். ஸோ வாட் எவர் யூ ஹாவ் டு சாண்ட், எவ்ரிதிங், ஆல் மந்த்ராஸ் கான். Again started eating. Go and eat. Amma kid, you go and ask your mother to give food. Your mother should not give secretly. Puriyarada? This he has to follow strictly. Later, after 15 days, he started eating. Then he got into memory. Yes, father, now I am ready to chant. Now tell me. This is called yukti. Yat sattve, yat sattvam, yadhabhave, yadabhavaha, tat tasya karanam. Anna sattve, manas sattvam, smriti sattvam. Anna abhave, mana abhavaha, smriti abhavaha. Tasmat annameva manasaha karanam. Smritehe karanam. Yukti. By whose presence that is existing, by whose absence it is not functioning. Therefore, that is the karanam of this. So, mind is the karyam functioning because of annam karanam. That's what he says. That is the story runs. That is the story behind this. Arunehe vachahanna adida. He is talking. Even Prashnopanishad also, it comes. Sapranaha pranam asrujata pranat shraddha kham vayuhu jyotihi apaha. Comes in Prashnopanishad also. Next shloka. Vrikshasya swagato bhedaha patra pushpa phaladibhihi vrikshantara sajatiyah vijatiyashiladibhiditah tiyashiladitah. Very nice, important shlokas. Now he says this Sapta, which was there before creation, Sadeva Asit, this Sapta is free from all differences. There are 3 types of differences. What are those 3 types of differences? Swagata bhedam, sajatiya bhedam, vijatiya bhedam. What is swagata bhedam? Swagatam is internal. Bheda means difference. Internal difference. Swagata bhedam. For that he gives example. Swagato bhedaha vrikshasya. Number 1. Vrikshasya, of a tree. A tree example he is taking. If you see a tree, the tree has got a lot of differences, internal differences. What are they? Tree has got a flower, tree has got a fruit, tree has got a branch, tree has got a leaf, tree has got a trunk. These are all different. Leaf is different from flower. Flower is different from fruit. Fruit is different from branch. Branch is different from trunk. Trunk is different from the root. Root is different from the tree. Tree means what? All put together tree. Root is not a tree. Flower is not a tree. So the internal differences are there. Similarly, you take another example also, our own body. Hands, eyes, ears, nose, legs. So many organs are there. Eyes are not ears, ears are not eyes. Eyes are not hands, hands are not legs, legs are not face. Difference is there. Internal differences. This is called Swagata Vedam. Irka illiyo? Irka. This is called Swagata Vedam. One ornament has got different ornaments, names are there. Bangle is different from ring, ring is different from chain, chain is different from anklets. Swagata Vedam. Vare gold lo, adikulla ittana Vedam. So he gives one example, Vriksha example. It's clear. Then second one is Patra Pushpa Phaladhibihi Vrikshantara Sajatiyaha. So first one is Patra Pushpa Phaladhibihi. First Swagata example. Patra means leaf, Pushpa means flower, Phala means fruit, Adipada the trunk, branch, root. All these come under Swagata Bhedam. Of whom? Not yours. Of Vriksha. If you say Hasta, Pada, Netra, Karna, all these differences are yours. Okay. What about Sajatiya? Vrikshantarat Sajatiyaha. If you take tree species, Vriksha Jatilane, mango tree, coconut tree, banyan tree. So many trees are there. Fig tree. Trees are many. Vriksha Jati is one. But tree to tree difference is there. Tree to tree, another different. This is called Vrikshantaram. Antara means another. From one tree is different from another tree. Vriksha from one tree is different from another species of the trees. Vriksha Jati. Sajatiya means Vriksha Jati. Same Jati. Coconut also belongs to Vriksha Jati. Mango tree also belongs to Vriksha Jati. Banyan tree also belongs to Vriksha Jati. Manushya also belong to? Apadi solladinga Vriksha Jati. This is Manushya Jati. Priyarada? So this is Vrikshantaram. Different Vriksha if you take, it is Sajatiya Bheda. Similarly, American, Indian, different human beings lone, Manushya Jati lone, African, Australian, Russian, Chinese, they are different human beings. These are Sajatiya Bhedam. Female, male, all human beings only. But Sajatiya Bheda. Say Jati means species. Manushya Jati means human being species. Human being species, plant species, animal species, all aquatic creatures, they are all come under one species. Water bodies. But there are differences among them. In fish alone, what difference is there? That is Sajatiya Bhedam. Starfish, whale, shark, all are fish only. But they are different. Then what is Vijatiya Bhedam? Not species. It is not come under species. A species and another object. Shila means stone. Shiladhibihi. A stone, Vijatiyaha, Shiladitaha. A tree is different from stone. Stone and tree does not belong to same species. Tree and human being and stone are different species. This is called Vijati. Different species. Manushya and Vriksha are Vijati. நம்ம மரமண்டைன்னு சொல்லுவான். இருக்க மானு மாதிரி நிற்கிறவனே என்ன யூஸ்லெஸ்ஸாக எறும்பு மாடு மாதிரி சும்மா கிண்டல் பண்ணுறதுக்காக கிரிட்டிசைஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக சொல்லுவான். அதனால் சொன்னதுனால ஆயிடுவானா என்ன? எறும்பு மாடுவான்னா மாடு ஆயிடுவானா? அந்த ஜாதி ஆக முடியாது. அதெல்லாம் விஜாத்திய பேதம், வேறே ஜாதி அனர்த்தம். இப்படிப்பட்ட இதம் ஜெகத்தில் எல்லா பேதங்கள் இருக்குது. You can see Swagata Bheda, Sajatiya Bheda, Vijatiya Bheda in this entire universe. Whereas in Sat Brahman, there is no Swagata Bheda, there is no Vijatiya Bheda, there is no Sajatiya Bheda. That is going to establish. Okay, that we'll see in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.